The free taxi, yeah. This is Bennett, and for today's video, let me show it to you what is inside the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. The impressive and inspiring Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is one of the world's largest mosques and the only one that captures the unique interaction between Islam and the other world cultures. The welcoming mosque open doors policy encourage visitors from around the world, from families to groups, solo travelers like me, to not only witness its beauty but also gain a deeper understanding of the Emirates' cultural belief in a space that encourage open dialogue. You need to download the QR code or book online for your online access pass, and it's free of charge. It because of COVID-19 restriction, before you enter inside the Big Mosque, it need your Al Hosn app should be green color and with letter E sign. And about for the dress code, for the ladies, you should bring or buy your own abaya. And for the guys, short is not allowed. And before you enter inside, you need to download the QR code or book online for your online access pass, and it's free of charge. The Grand Mosque operating hours from 9 a.m. till 10 p.m. from Saturday until Thursday. But on Friday, it will open at 3 p.m. until 10 p.m. Welcome to the Big Mosque. Yeah, it's good to wear also. Yeah, I wear that before. Right. If you're getting tired, you can order it for free. Eastern foyer. The foyer entrance organic floral design embody a unifying message reflecting the diversity and the connection between cultures. The floral patterns were inspired by flowers that grow in the Middle East desert climate. The carpet. The main prayer hall houses the world's largest hand-knot carpet by Guinness World Records. The mihrab. It design inspired by one of the reference to heaven or paradise in the Holy Quran that describe the existence of many abundant rivers in heaven, including a river of honey and milk. Qibla wall. At the center of its design is a large circle and the name written inside is Allah. We can ride in the free taxi, yeah.
You know, share that
Prayer?
clear.
Souvenirs? So how can I select this one? Are you sure? Let's see. Hey! Yeah! It's right, it's right. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, it's right. I like this one. Hi guys. Let me end this video and I hope you like and enjoy on this vlog, and who still did not subscribe on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and push the notification bell as well so you can notify every time I upload a new videos here on YouTube. Any comment, any suggestion, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.